You are about to find out the key levels for CVS Health, ticker CVS. So firstly, why are we selling off? Because we're down nearly 10% on the day. Now, this is down to the Blue Shield of California and to CVS Caremark partnerships. Again, that's the catalyst on why we have been selling off today. Now, what are key levels? So what you would have actually seen happen with this stock is where we went from and to. So we were slightly overbought. When you're at this orange line, or golden line, this is our first deviation between the 6 month and the 1 year. This is considered slightly overbought, and what we did is we sold off and basically came exactly down to fair value. Our fair value is between 65.40 and 64.50, so about a 90-cent range, and we're starting to get a bit of buying pressure once we've sold off to that fair value. Again, how do we get these levels? These are all done off the standard deviation channels. Again, that's taken us to fair value from these overbought areas. So now we're down at fair value, what are we paying attention to? Because again, fair value, not usually a level we trade off of, we tend to trade to. So again, if we were short here, that would be our target, but we don't tend to trade off of this level. So the way I look at it now is it's more of a waiting game, I think, on CVS. We wait for the directional move, then we can look to play that reversal. Considering we're at fair value now, if we sell off and we come into the supports at 54.50 and around 53.25, those are some key supports. We could look to take them long bias, and would be long bias to about $64. And again, the same thing, if we end up pushing back up, trying to fill that gap and taking us back to around 74.30 and 77.50, this is when I turn more short bias, and again can then look for that reversal back down to fair value, targeting basically where we are now of about $65. Just in case we had a further sell-off as well, because again, we are in quite a downtrend on a lot of these kind of pharmacy stocks, CVS, Rite Aid, Walgreens, all of these stocks we have been selling off over the past 6 month year. So again, if we do continue down, we hit these supports. If we don't bounce right away, we do continue lower. 45 would be that next kind of key support we could be paying attention to. So again, key supports covered, key resistances. Right now, it's more of a waiting game. If we sell off, looking to get long from these supports. If we end up going up in price, potentially looking to short or take profits if you're long bias into those key levels. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, why don't you check out this video, because you'll probably enjoy that one too.